sudden rainpour dito sa daan kung saan ako papasok. If you look at it, it's not getting better. Bumalik muna ako kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. I can't go for it kasi bumabaha na. I'll wait for the rain to stop and then I'll see kung saan ako pulutin. So right now I think there's a small lens crack on my phone. I don't know what happened during the rain, but yeah. Alright, I think the sun is back. Let's go for round 2. Kanina na umuulan, I think I dinged one of the camera lenses of this phone. I am mounting my phone sa bike and I think the vibration hindi na kinaya ng lenses. I'll also try to look for dampener. Tingin ko makakatulong siya para hindi masyado matagtag yung phone. So despite the sun, you can check, baha pa rin. Parang hindi abot eh. Thank you, kuya. Thank you po. So this is day 12 of me drinking 1 gallon of water for 14 days na. And I am here, so in this day 12, I'm going to share with you or give a summary on my journey from day 1 to day 14. It was more than 7 or 8 years ago. Hindi talaga ako nagtutubig. As in, I only drink coffee, ganyan. And si Papa, he died from a kidney complication. He started off also na hindi uminom ng tubig, ganyan. And then, when he got old, nagkaroon siya ng kidney complication that he need to do surgery. The surgery was successful. I heard na successful yung surgery kasi sinabihan ako ng tita ko in the province na okay yung surgery. But since it's a provincial hospital, yung sanitation or yung care given to him is suboptimal. The facility itself. So, nangyari, nagkaroon siya ng complication sa surgery. I think it was sepsis. And that caused his death. Namatay siya, but it all started because of a kidney failure. I was with my girlfriend back then, and she told me na, Gorby, kailangan mo rin minom ng tubig kasi magiging sakit mo yan in the future. And I was busy with a lot of things back then. Ang dami kong kailangan gawin, trabaho and such. So, for me, I need caffeine to focus and do all the shits. Kailangan ko talaga magawa matapos yung mga task, matapos yung mga kailangan gawin kasi may mga bills na kailangan bayaran. So I ended up with that lifestyle pa rin na wala akong pakialam sa aking health. And then right now that I have this opportunity and time, I wanted to start this habit na, so babalikan ko tong habit na to because it somehow ties with my origin, my father, my dad. Ayoko naman matulad sa kanya. And I think this is a low barrier entry of a challenge na simulan ko now that I'm going back in YouTube or now that I'm vlogging again. I think this is a very low barrier experiment that I could try na malaki yung impact niya dun sa buhay ko. So kaya ako siya sinimulan, kaya ako siya tinry. So I started day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Somehow, may challenge siya. Kasi, nagagawa ko siya, pero nabubisit ako kasi ihi ako ng ihi. CR ako ng CR, ganyan. But I kept at it. I kept pushing on until such time na day 2 pa lang, day 3, grabe. The benefits that I felt, day 2, day 3, all the way to day 12, is that the energy increased, texture of the skin improved, hindi na siya magaspang. And the most important one for me is that it unlocked a lot of good habits na naka-tie up because of just drinking water. So yun yung pinaka main benefit sa akin. Above the skin glow, above the energy, it's really the mental shift that had happened or the physical shift that had happened na umayos yung tulog ko, mas naging productive ako, mas marami ako nagagawa. Plus, I have extra energy. Yung unlock na yun yung nag-push sa akin to do it up until to the point na right now, very, very automatic na siya sa akin na water is there, I just drink water. And I'm very thankful that I started this habit. I had a partner. There's a company that sponsored me to gain access on the premium features of their app, which is Hydro Coach. So, nung nag-start ako, day 4, day 5, I think, nag-start na we talked and then they said, oh, let's give it a go. Let's try. We wanted to support you on that habit that you are doing. So, yun, ginawa ko siya. The app is so good and the app is super simple that it makes hydration such an easy thing to do. I have code links for you to gain access also on the premium features. That's part of the partnership or sponsorship that I had. So if you guys wanted also that premium access on the app, you just need to subscribe on the channel, follow Hydro Coach, and follow me on Instagram, and then we'll send you the code there. Send us a DM, and then I'll give you the code. 2 more days to go. I don't think there's anything that will stop me from doing this. Ang dami nagbago, ang dami nag-change. Even my eating habits, my sleeping habits, my working habits, my productivity, lahat. Lahat talaga, I would say, improved a notch. Chad! Pag umatak na ako, isa na lang yung action point ko.
Usually 3 action point. Kaka nitong hero or ito, mag-equip ka or magamit ka ng magic.
Dead po. Nakasarap kumpletuhin ito ah. Thank you Sir Chad. 10 o'clock na. So we played Here to Slay.
サッカーはサッカー、普段は普段。ちゃんと使い分けできてるからな、俺。少なくとも俺は